Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So, have you been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with our updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Swiss city Lugano is planning to be the Bitcoin capital of Europe. Russia's finance ministry introduces digital currency bill, brushes off central bank's objections. Top Indonesian football club enters the blockchain gaming arena, partnering with LGG. NFTs to be instrumental for fashion industry in the Metaverse, GlobalData Analyst says. So let's start off with a refresh feed. Firstly, after El Salvador accepted Bitcoin as legal tender, Lugano's turned to participate among the top players. Today, Tether has announced on Twitter that they are joining hands with Lugano to make the latter the European #Bitcoin capital and has mentioned it as the city's plan B. Let's have a look at what they're up to. Earlier in November, Lugano declared it a crypto-friendly city and announced the launch of its blockchain. The blockchain was dependent on a proof-of-authority consensus algorithm linked to the Ethereum blockchain and worked on open-source technology. The mayor of Lugano then declared, "We have always followed the development of new technologies very closely, and we have identified blockchain as a topic of great interest for both multinational and local companies, citizens, and businesses. We believe that a city must be at the service of its citizens. With these initiatives, we intend to place Lugano as a top-level player on the international scene for all applications related to this technology." His statement aligns with Tether's goals as mentioned in its tweet that Bitcoins and stablecoins are here to bring revolution in the financial sector, thus leading to this collaboration. The top issuer of the largest stablecoin is yet to reveal more information on a live stream on March 3, 2022. So jumping on to our next segment for today, Russia's Ministry of Finance has raised the stakes in its long-running battle with the central bank by formally submitting a law that intends to regulate rather than prohibit digital assets. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked out there. The Ministry of Finance presented the cabinet with a draft of the federal law on digital money on February 21. The measure is introduced to Parliament for consideration at this stage of the legislative process. The initiative's aim, according to the agency, is to create a legal marketplace for digital currencies as well as determine standards for their circulation and range of participants. The measure's authors characterize cryptocurrencies as an investment instrument, noting that the bill does not intend to provide digital currencies legal currency status. The law proposes a licensing scheme for platforms that facilitate the exchange of digital assets as well as prudential risk management, data privacy, and reporting requirements for these operators. Buying and selling crypto would be permissible only through a bank account, and both crypto platforms and banks would be required to implement Know Your Client processes. The law also defines a system for crypto market players to declare their activity to tax authorities as well as a clear definition of crypto mining. So moving ahead with our next segment for today, Perseib's Vice President of Partnership and Engagement, Gabriela Viddarmono, agreed that combining football with new technologies like blockchain gaming is a step forward in the digital world. Let's have a look at what exactly going out there. Through its blockchain gaming platform Liberty, Persib, which is competing against the greatest league on Indonesian territory, Liga 1, hopes to provide an ecosystem for its followers to learn and grow in the new gaming age. Fans will also be able to monetize their efforts using NFTs, which are based on the proof of ownership principle and continue to take the globe by storm. Maurizio Barbieri believes that the alliance will open new possibilities to what blockchain technology and the metaverse can provide based on the large blockchain gaming community in Southeast Asia. Liberty's chief community officer stated, "I am certain that we will be able to accelerate our expansion in Southeast Asia, particularly in Indonesia. We can't wait to get started with the incredible Persib team and take this to the next level, if not the moon." According to a recent Blockchain Game Alliance and DappRadar study, the blockchain gaming sector continues to gain traction as it acquired $1.1 billion in investments last month. Furthermore, they are attracted to the game transparency provided by blockchain technology. So moving ahead with our final coverage for today, according to Amrit Dhami, a thematic analyst at GlobalData, NFTs are great for fashion in the metaverse as they contribute to take the globe by storm. She made the following observation: "While much remains unknown about the metaverse's appearance, we do know that it will be populated with avatars. Gamers already spend a lot of money on in-game skins So it's only logical that visitors to the metaverse will spend money on apparel and accessories for their avatars. Because NFTs provide evidence of ownership of an asset such as a picture, these creations have the potential to change the metaverse's fashion appearance because users may purchase NFT clothes in the same way they can custom made of outfits. Because of their fungibility, NFTs vary from traditional crypto tokens. Because of its limited nature, a fungible token may be traded for another, but a non-fungible token cannot. As a result, the metaverse will provide designers a chance to show off their originality through NFTs. They may also form private groups with access to forthcoming NFT collections such as Dolce and Gabbana. Because gaming is at the center of the metaverse, Dhami believes there is a lot of opportunity for game developers and fashion firms to collaborate to produce new skins for gamers. So we would now wind up with our assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals, visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.